Connect the power cord. Turn on the power and the fan. Fixed value test. Set the test temperature and set the test duration. Start the test. Check the running curve. Stop the test. Program test. Switch to program testing mode. Select the program number and then edit the program test. First, set the test temperature and the heating time. Then set the test temperature and the holding time. Set the effective steps of the program. Set the program cycle period. Select the pre-edited program number. Start the program test. After the test is completed, turn off the power and the fan.